Hey, this is Andy from Shogun, and I wanted to talk about some exciting new releases to the Page Builder for Shopify app. So, if you log into your Page Builder for Shopify app, you'll notice a few things have been updated. There's a new tab on the dashboard for theme sections, and there's a new user interface here when creating something new. We used to only let you create pages, but now you can create something called a theme section for your Shopify 2.0 theme. So let's jump over to my Shopify admin. I'm in the online store section looking at the theme that I'm currently running. If I click the Customize button, you'll see this is Shopify's new Online Store 2.0 theme customizer, and it's quite powerful. You can make a lot of changes and updates to the theme that you've purchased or inherited. But the real limiting factor here, right, is all the things you can move, drag and drop, move around are all limited by the theme sections that have been created by the theme developer. What we have built is the ability for you to use Shogun Page Builder's drag and drop super easy interface to build your own theme sections, send them over to Shopify, and then use the Shopify theme customizer to determine when and where to show those sections. So let's jump in and create an example. I'm going to create a new theme section and call this Demo Section 1. Click Create. We will now see that I'm brought into the traditional Page Builder editor, but you'll see that you're building a section to use in your theme editor. You're not building a page that's going to be published. You can still use all of your trusted elements, snippets, blocks, all of the great things you're used to using about Page Builder. So as an example, let's say that I've designed this really cool element right here that I've have my own custom styling and everything looks exactly how I want it to look. I can change this to say made in PB. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to publish it. And what this is telling me is that I'm not actually making this show up live to the world. What I'm doing is I'm making this available in the Shopify theme customizer. So once this finishes publishing, which it has here, now when I come back and I refresh in my theme customizer on Shopify's end, when I click add section, I should now see that there's a new theme section called Demo Section 1. And that wasn't there before. That wasn't part of the theme. But I've now harnessed the ability of Page Builder to add theme sections to my theme without having to go hire a theme developer or make any code changes to my theme code. So Demo Section 1 is right here. I can drag it up to the top of my page if I'd like. Decide, you know what, I like this more than the slideshow section that came with my theme. So I'm going to remove that one. I'm going to hit save. And now as soon as I refresh my live site, I'll see that thing that I just made in Page Builder is live and natively part of my Shopify store. Now let's talk about a couple more nuanced pieces of the feature. So you'll notice that in your theme sections that came natively with your Shopify theme, there's probably some amount of customization or kind of things that you can change. With this first release of Page Builder theme sections for Shopify, right now you can't actually make any configurations here, but we always provide a link to take you right back into the Page Builder editor where you can make any changes that you want. So if you decide you want to change the look or feel of any of this, you can. As an example, I can change this to say super cool heading, hit save, republish it. And what's really neat is that I don't actually have to even go back into the Shopify theme customizer if I don't want to, because this section's already being used on my live site. Next time I refresh, I should see the update of super cool heading, which is awesome. You can always remove sections that you've created right here, and they'll always be available to you in the theme section experience here. But yeah, we hope that this is a really exciting new feature and can't wait to see how you use it. We'd love to hear your feedback. And we'll be publishing lots of useful information to go along with our new Help Center article that will hopefully get you on the right track to trying out this feature and seeing all the things that it can do. Thanks again, and happy building.